What are your patient privacy rights in plastic surgery? Imagine walking into a plastic surgery clinic and knowing that your personal health information is protected every step of the way. That's exactly what your patient privacy rights are all about. In plastic surgery, your rights are primarily protected under a law called the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA. This law sets clear standards for how your private health information, known as protected health information, is used, shared, and kept safe by your healthcare providers. One of your most important rights is the right to access your medical information. This means you can ask to see your medical records, including details about your past and current health, treatments, and photographs. If you notice any errors or incomplete information, you have the right to request corrections to ensure your records are accurate. You can also ask your provider to limit how your information is shared. For example, if you want certain details kept private from specific people, you can request restrictions. While providers will consider these requests, they are not always required to agree, but they must review them carefully. Another key right is the ability to communicate with your provider privately. You can ask that your care or billing information be sent to a different address or through a secure method to protect your privacy. If your plastic surgery practice shares your health information with other healthcare providers involved in your care, they do so under strict privacy rules to keep your data safe. You also have the right to see a list of disclosures, meaning a record of when and how your health information has been shared outside of treatment, payment, or healthcare operations. If there's ever a breach of your unsecured health information, your provider must notify you promptly so you can take any necessary steps to protect yourself. Your plastic surgeon can use and share your health information without extra permission when it's needed for your treatment, to bill your insurance, or to run their practice smoothly. To keep your electronic health information secure, providers are required to implement safeguards like secure computer systems, restricted access, and staff training. In practical terms, this means your consultation details, surgical plans, photographs, and medical history are protected and cannot be shared without your consent, unless required by law. If your surgeon needs to share information with other healthcare providers involved in your care, they do so under strict privacy rules. You can always talk to the privacy officer at your practice if you have concerns or want to know more about how your information is handled. Practices are also required to update their privacy policies regularly, and you have the right to receive notices explaining how your data is protected. Overall, your privacy rights in plastic surgery are designed to give you control over your personal health information while ensuring it is handled with the utmost care and confidentiality. Remember, if you have any questions or want to exercise your rights, reaching out directly to your surgeon's office is the best step. Protecting your privacy is a fundamental part of safe, ethical, and respectful medical care.